Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious cheesy loaded baked potato casserole. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by cooking our potatoes. Make sure that you peel them, cut them into 1-inch thick, and place them in a pot. I'm going to be adding salt and covering them with water. Set it on medium heat and allow them to cook until fork tender. And while we wait for our potatoes, we can cook our bacon. So heat up your pan, add the 1 pound of bacon, and cook it until it's nice and crispy. Okay, and once the bacon is nice and crispy to your liking, we're going to remove it from the oil. Set it on paper towels so like that you can drain all of the excess fat. And now we're just going to set it to the side until it's time to use them. Meanwhile, we continue waiting for our potatoes. And once our potatoes are nice and soft, we're going to drain them and get ready to make our mashed potatoes. Now in the same pot over medium heat, we're going to be melting our butter. Once the butter has melted, we're going to add our 2 minced garlic cloves. We're going to cook that for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, we're going to add our milk along with our cream cheese. And we're just going to dissolve our cream cheese. Okay, once we have dissolved our cream cheese, we're going to turn it off. We're going to add our garlic salt, black pepper, and a little bit of salt along with our sour cream. Just mix it together. We're going to add 1 cup of white melting cheese, or you can use parmesan. Just mix it in the mix. And now we're going to get ready to smash down our potatoes. I'm going to be using a rice mill. We're just going to smash them. And this just makes the potatoes all nice and fluffy. Okay, so now we're just going to fold it all in. Just make sure that the potatoes gets mixed with the mixture. Okay, so here taste them for salt and see if you need to adjust them. But just like that, we have our mashed potatoes. So now we're going to transfer it to our baking dish. Okay, I'm going to lightly grease my baking dish. And here, make sure that your oven is preheating at 375 degrees. Now I'm just going to transfer my mashed potatoes. And just even them out. Going to top it with our cheddar cheese. Top it with our bacon. And you can always mix the bacon with the potatoes, but this is just how we like ours. Okay, so now we're just going to pop it in our oven and allow that cheese to melt. So for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and after 10 minutes, the cheese has melted. So my potatoes are ready. I'm just going to be garnishing with some green onion. Of course, you can always use chives as well. And just like that, we can get ready to serve and enjoy. Okay, so now we can get ready for the fun part, serving. So just grab it and just like that. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I'm going to be topping it with a little bit of more sour cream, just because I love sour cream with my potatoes, but hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. It's honestly so cheesy, so creamy. It's just the perfect mashed potatoes. Cheers and enjoy. And they're hot. Of course, you know you want to wait a little bit before serving, but we can't wait, so I'm ready. My favorite. They're so good. So flavorful, just simply the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. Make a super easy and delicious cheesy loaded baked potato casserole. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys get part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.